Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining your ideal customer profile so AI targets the right decision makers. Once done, feed that ICP into your lead generation model and pull an initial list of 501,000 prospects. Make sure to connect outputs to your CRM and validate email deliverability immediately, because clean inputs drive accuracy. Use simple prompts to extract title, company, location, and pain points. Then prioritize leads by fit score. Start outreach sequencing for top-tier prospects while you refine prompts. Next, you enrich each record so AI can reason about intent and timing, add technographics, funding, news events, and role seniority. Then run a scoring model to prioritize for outreach. Blend fit, intent, and engagement into a 0-100 score. Once scored, segment leads into high, mid, and low priority and generate 3 tailored message variants per segment. Use a /B testing on subject lines and hooks, and feed performance back to retrain prompts so the system improves its personalization over time. Finally, execute multi-channel cadences and sync responses to your CRM so you can track pipeline contribution. Make sure to monitor KPIs like reply rate, meetings booked, bounce rate, and unsubscribe percentage. Adjust cadence, timing, and messaging based on what moves the needle. If results lag, troubleshoot by checking data quality, prompt clarity, and segment definitions. Retrain models on recent positive replies. Remember to pause low-performing sequences quickly, iterate on top-performing templates, and scale what consistently converts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.